guys, today's video is sponsored by Dossier. Dossier is a perfume company that offers high-end luxury and classic scents for less. Their perfumes keep the exact scents. If you buy any perfume from them and you're not satisfied, they have a 30-day return period, so you can return unsealed 50 ml perfumes and get a full refund, right? Any scents from $39, while designer ranges from $50 to $280 in retail. These perfumes smell the exact same. You receive free returns in exchange. They are always adding scents, and you can get up to 25% off plus free shipping for 3 or more bottles of perfume. The other one is the Spicy Orchid, and this is inspired by the Tom Ford Black Orchid, and I kid you not, they smell the exact same. Oh my god, I absolutely love these perfumes. Both of these perfumes are unisex, so you can use it, your husband can use it, a friend can use it. Shop Dossier. Dossier has a new payment method and they let you earn store credit. Select catch at the last step of checkout and you earn $10 sign up on bonus credit. Get rewarded with 10% store credits on every order. Also guys, make sure to add my discount code, which is WatchCrissyWork10, and save some coins. Look at that sun. Look. Good morning guys. Today's Tuesday. Welcome back to another vlog. Oh, that sunlight hit. But today, so I just dropped the kids off at school. Listen, first of all, the line is crazy. I literally took me 40 minutes. So, but today, you know, it's almost my time of the month, so I'm grumpy. But today, what do I have to do today? I have to get my nails done today because I have work to do. So I gotta get my nails done. I do have an appointment with Range Rover because something is wrong. There's some recall. Every second there's a recall on the vehicle. So the parts was not in. So the appointment is today at 9:30. But I'm going to the gym. Now it's almost 8 o'clock. I'm gonna spread my bed. I'm gonna take care of myself, put on my gym outfit. Then after I leave the gym, I'm going straight to Range Rover. I'm gonna be there for a minute because my sunroof also, it needs to change. I think they put the order in for that also. First of all, I bought some plant and put it in my cart. I think I bought it from Home Goods, and there's something stuck. By the time I'm in my car for the sunroof, the little inside part of the car, for it to go back, because you know the sun, what you call it, the open is there, but then there is extra cover. If you guys know it, leave it in the comment section. So that part, the plant stuck on it, so by the time it was going back, it lift out. I tell them I don't know how it happened, okay? But anyway, I have that to fix. So I have 2 things to do at Range Rover today, and then I'm gonna get my nails done right after Range Rover. I'm going to the gym first, go to Range Rover. On my way back, I'm gonna go to the nail shop. I did want to make an appointment, but my girl, she doesn't work yesterday or today, so I'm just gonna go do a walk-in. Real simple nails, so it don't matter who do it. So afterwards, I'm gonna come back home, shower, and I'm gonna take a nap again. And then I wake up and do what I have to do. So you guys are coming on the road with me. This is how I went to drop the kids off, like for real. Upstairs is dark. You guys are coming on the road with me. Guys, I'm super excited because the skincare, it's almost that time, okay? It's almost time for the launch of the skincare, and I'm extremely happy. I'm so happy. I'm broke at the same time, but hey, we prayed. Just opening my windows. Olivia is downstairs with her dad. She was there with me, but she was crying, so he took her. And I'm just gonna do what I have to do. For this week, I'm gonna be so grumpy, I tell you. So I'm gonna spread my bed. You guys know how to spread bed. I don't need to show you how to spread a bed. I'm gonna spread my bed, and then we're gonna leave out for the gym. No, a lie. I'm gonna bathe Olivia. So last night I plugged in my Apple Watch because I wanted it to wear to the gym, and it just started charging, like literally. But whatever. My kids, by the way, let me show you guys, because as soon as they wake up, they have to take care of their room. I don't do messy room. This is Janae's room. Why it looks so blue? She have to spread her bed. If you guys look, nothing is messy. I don't do messy room, like, oh. And then Amelia and Kyra's room. Yup, trust me, they don't sleep on that bed, or sometimes they don't sleep on this bed, but it's been Kyra's bed lately that they be sleeping on. So Amelia, because she's the older, she makes the bed up. So see, look, y'all better let them kids tidy that room, okay? Anyway, that was the only thing that needs to go in there. Their lotion. These kids be taking out more than one lotion. They don't understand that when this is almost done, you take this off and you lick it out. You don't throw it away because things are expensive, okay? So their room is clean. Let me see the bathroom. Their bathroom is clean. Maybe the mirror is a little bit messy. No, it's not. But that's what's up. You know, them kids, they're doing good. Sis, they're doing good. But anyway, guys, I'm selling these furnitures, and they're for sale because we don't sit in it unless I'm doing a video. My kids can't sit in them. These are the kids' uniform. I'm gonna see if the school accept uniform because this can't fit them. Janae wearing a different color. So everything in this room right here is for sale, except my books. I'm gonna sell some, and I'm gonna spray these in black, so these will stay. I'm gonna keep those for sure. Olivia keep touching these, my books, my rose, but I'm gonna give away some of the accessories with the stuff. This couch, it's not a set. This is a set. The 2 gray piece is a set. This couch, I'm giving the pillows with the couch. These, if you guys buy everything, I'll give you all of these. What you call them? Something up on the wall. Yeah, that. I'll give that. I'm selling this as well. This was a recent piece. Yeah, they're gonna be so cheap. These 2 right on the stairs, they're going as well. Yeah, so I have some more right here. There's 2 and then there's 1. So everything in this room is selling. Yep, that's what's up. This is where I process my orders. Oh yeah, this is where some of the little business stuff is. Process my order with my roller. I don't go to the post office unless I'm dropping off a package. So this is where the magic happens. We are gonna unbox this beautiful bag from Jacquemus. It is gorgeous. It is amazing, guys. This bag, let me tell you, I received it as a gift, so thank you so much. This is perfect. I love everything about this bag. I love the gold that's on the bag. I love the shape of the bag. The material feels so good. This bag is just amazing. I tell you, I absolutely love it. It's different, and that's what I like. I like different. The color is amazing. Oh my god, I'm in love with this bag, guys. I absolutely love this one. It is worth it. It is everything. It's classy, it's different, like I said, and you can bring this anywhere. You know, that time is coming. Even though summer is almost up, we can use this bag and we can bring it into fall because the color suits fall as well. Absolutely love it. It is perfect, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I did 30 minutes at the gym. I'm almost at Range Rover right now. Shane is always doing this, so it kind of be like, where am I going again? But I'm pulling up right now. Alright guys, so I am at Range Rover. I did not know that my car would be here for the whole day, so they're gonna have it until tomorrow. So yeah, they just get me a lift. So the lift is gonna bring me home. I'm not a person to drive in Uber or Lyft. I've had an experience before and it was crazy. So I'm scared of taxi overall. So that's what's up. I should have called pushing, but that makes no sense if they're gonna give you a car to go back home, right? So that's what's up. I'm gonna go home. My feet is weak. Foot them weak. The part in the car that they're gonna change, I think I wanted to show it to you guys, the part that they said they wanted to change before they do change it. So this is it right here. This part, something is wrong with it, so they're gonna change that completely. So it's tomorrow. I am back home, but I'm gonna get my nails done. So I do not have a nail appointment, but last night while I was in bed I was biting on my nails, so I have to get it done today. So I'm gonna just pull up, and I'm doing something real simple, real short, so it don't matter to me. Anybody can do my nails. I'm drinking my lime water, and oh damn, I was feeling so bad. Luckily I brought one of this to the gym. I had to eat a few of this. The workout I get to me, I'm gonna drink a protein shake right now, but I'm not feeling well because my stomach. So this wig is lifting. I was itching it like so bad. So I'm gonna get my nails done, and then I'm gonna come back home, take a shower, and just get some rest. For this week I'm just in a mood, whereas this is the mood. So but I'll check in with you guys when my nails are doing. I might go around the house today to see what they're doing. It's been a week since I don't go around there. I guess I'll get so comfortable now, so I don't go as much or as often as, you know, I used to. So alright guys, this is my nail. I told you guys I was gonna do it real simple. Guys, one of our supporters gave me this book actually. He's ex-police in Jamaica, and this is his story. I want you guys to go on Amazon and purchase this book. Read this book because it's worth it, right? After he did tell me everything about his book, I didn't get a chance to read it as yet, but I wanted to bring it to you guys right now. Tomorrow is his birthday, and this is a surprise birthday gift for him. So you guys can go on Amazon and purchase this book and check it out. Sometimes we come to America and it's not always something that we expect, or we come here and we expect all good, but sometimes a lot of us go through a lot of stuff, and this book will explain everything that Okito has been through. Pain, positioning, and purpose. Guys, an inspiration story of faith guided by faith. It's written by Okito Cameron. He's Jamaican, he's ex-police, and he's living overseas now. Go ahead on Amazon and check this book out, guys. Thank you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Until my next upload, God is love.